After several leaks and rumors, the executive vice president of Vivo confirmed last year that the brand's first tablet is in the works, and also revealed that it will get officially launched in the first half of 2022. With the launch timeline approaching, more details about the first tablet from Vivo keep surfacing online. In the latest development, Digital Chat Station has revealed some key features and specifications of the upcoming device. The new leak reveals that the Vivo tablet will come powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor. This is the same chipset that is powering the premium Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro, as well as the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2021. It will feature a full HD Plus display with minimal bezels, that offers a 120Hz refresh rate, and a punch hole cutout on the top of the screen for housing the front-facing camera. Further, it is said to be powered by a 7,860 mAh battery, and have 44-watt fast charging support. As for software, the device is likely to come with the company's own Origin OS, based on the Android operating system. It will also have a terminal interconnection feature that can share screen and content across Vivo devices. Last year, the company registered the Vivo Pad trademark, but it has not been confirmed yet if the device will be named the same. Given that the tablet should be official by the end of June this year, we expect to know more about the product in the coming months. Apart from Vivo, its sub-brand iQOO is also expected to launch a tablet, while its sister company Oppo is also set to soon launch its first tablet in the market. Given the specifications of the upcoming Vivo tablet, it's likely to compete against the likes of Xiaomi and Lenovo, which are currently dominating the tablet market in China. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for updates.